Hi everyone, Kate here, and this week I will be attempting to wash my hair with a rather different 1930s take on an egg shampoo. I've been wanting to do an updated egg shampoo video for a while, but the taps on my tub are currently broken, and I just don't have other washing facilities that allow for easy enough filming. However, I was very intrigued by this 1930s method that uses an egg to supposedly cleanse the hair with no water or rinsing of any kind. I just wanted to know, does it work? Does it leave the hair feeling like crusty and smelling like eggs? Well, let's find out. I first read about this type of shampoo in my 1931 book, Beauty's Question and Answer Dictionary. It reads as follows. I once heard of a 15-minute egg shampoo. Can you tell me what it is? Separate an egg and beat the white stiff. Rub the beaten white into the hair so that both the scalp and hair are covered. 2 eggs may be necessary if the hair is thick. Let the white stay on the hair and do not brush out until you are sure it is thoroughly dry. Brush out. This treatment will cleanse the hair without ruining the wave. Okay, well that doesn't seem too difficult. I started by separating out my yolk, which I guess I'll use for a custard or something later. You could beat the egg white with a whisk, but as I was feeling rather lazy, I opted to use a set of electric beaters. I think the purpose of this fluffing up is mostly to make application easier and to make a single egg white stretch further. My hair is rather on the thin side, but given its length, I probably could have used 2. Next, after spilling it all over my floor, I applied the whipped egg white to my head. That was interesting. Let's wait until it dries and see what happens. Now that my hair feels fully crusty, it's time to brush out the egg. Unfortunately, despite letting it dry for around 45 minutes, there were still a few clumpy spots that I realized after brushing were still slightly damp. They had felt dry before I began, but the middle of the clumped hair hadn't quite fully dried in a few places. Otherwise, however, the egg did brush out surprisingly easily, leaving a fine coating of meringue over everything. I can't say it didn't work, as my hair did feel less greasy and rather fluffy afterwards. There was also no egg smell left behind. However, it also felt rather gritty, as despite my best effort, some of the egg dust still clung to my hair. It also made my gray roots pop out more for some reason. Now I know I'm due for another henna, but they seem much more visible after the egg shampoo. I'm not sure if that's just due to the way the egg shampoo made my hair want to just sort of stick out at odd angles. The egg did give quite a texture to my hair, which actually might be kind of helpful if I was doing something like a big Gibson girl updo that needed a lot of volume. As interesting as this experiment was, I'm off to wash my hair. Properly this time. I just can't handle the ick factor. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried egg shampoos before and your thoughts on them. I've had some success with traditional egg shampoos, but I just can't get behind this misleadingly named 15-minute egg shampoo technique. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.